The curtains are fire, but they polish the flames. A photo op with the ashes and flames. They parade through cracked foundations, measuring dust, ignoring the quake. Smile stitched with silken thread, while the soil beneath begins to break. Quick, paint the fence before it falls. Trap to build to rename the holes. They bow to optics, not to truth. Chasing flies while we run in the booth. They fix the trips while the house burns down. Raise glass walls in a drowning town. They wait from stages built on bones. Masters of the small to save the known. Their justice is a brochure, folded neat for public eyes. They pave the path of least resistance with golden lies and alibis. We saw the noise complaints today, but not the screams beneath the clay. We banded bags, we planted trees, but blood still floods through every breeze. No spine for the storm, no voice for the plain, just lost for long signs and virtue vague. Crisis is a curtain call, and they perform and they stall. They fix the trips while the house burns down. Host galas in this funeral town. Their mirrors shine, their hands stay clean as we drown in the dots between. We scream for help. They tie in the bolts on our coffins with care.
Als just die Kids over Haus brysten, om toasten I fyldes ute. Von nede scheinen mehr zählt wie das den Schan, die Bett ist die.